Welcome to SalonStudies' presentation on the effects of colouring or colouring products upon hair. In this presentation we will be looking at the effects of different artificial colouring products and the effects that they have upon the hair. In particular, we'll be looking at temporary colour, semi-permanent colour, quasi-permanent colour, which is also known as tone-on-tone colour, permanent colour and bleach. The colour pigments within each type of these artificial colouring products are quite different. They're different in their size, how they actually attach to the hair, and by how long they last within the hair. The effects of temporary colour upon the hair. Temporary colours have large colour molecules and these coat the hair cuticle. You can see from the diagram that there is no penetration into the hair cortex and the colour will be washed away in 1 or 2 washes. The effects of semi-permanent colour upon the hair. Semi-permanent colours have small colour molecules and these are deposited into the hair cuticle and on the outer edges of the hair cortex. The colour will last between 6 to 8 washes, but if the hair is porous, the result will last longer in some places and can look patchy. The effects of quasi-permanent colour upon the hair. Quasi-permanent or tone-on-tone colours are mixed with lower strength hydrogen peroxide, normally at a 1:2 ratio, 1 part colour to 2 parts developer. The different sized colour molecules enter the cortex and are oxidized by hydrogen peroxide. Because some of the molecules are smaller, they come away during shampooing, and this means that the colour fades over time. In fact, with quasi-permanent colours, the colour is designed to fade over a 12-week period, and then can be refreshed again with a new colour. The effects of permanent colour. If we look at stage 1. Permanent colour is mixed with hydrogen peroxide and applied to the hair. And the strength of the hydrogen peroxide varies depending on the desired result. A lower hydrogen peroxide for depositing tone onto the hair and a higher volume strength for lightening or lifting colour. The small colourless molecules penetrate the hair cuticle and the hair cortex, and you'll see that in our next diagram. If we look at stage 2, the hydrogen peroxide begins to break down into water and oxygen, and the oxygen from the hydrogen peroxide joins together with and oxidizes the small colourless molecules. The oxidized molecules swell up to form larger colour molecules, and the large colour molecules are unable to pass back through the hair cuticle and become trapped within the hair cortex, and that's the principle of permanent colouring. We look at hydrogen peroxide next. Let's look at how hydrogen peroxide changes to form water during the chemical reaction of colouring. Hydrogen peroxide is made of the same chemical elements as water, those being hydrogen and oxygen, except it has 2 atoms of each element, and during the processing it loses 1 oxygen atom and becomes water. We can now look at bleaching. Bleaching is the process of changing the hair's natural colour pigments so that they become colourless. The natural hair pigments are eumelanin and pheomelanin. Eumelanin pigments are black and brown and are smaller, and the pheomelanin, larger pigments, are reddish gold and yellow. In our next diagram you'll see how this changes and how bleaching actually takes place. The bleach penetrates the hair cortex and oxidizes the natural colour pigment so that it becomes colourless. The melanin pigments are changed to colourless oxymelanin. That finalises this short presentation on the effects of artificial colouring on the hair. Thank you for listening.